Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today's our topic is emphatic statements. So here, what are emphatic statements? Let us discuss. So in spoken, we can use empathized by being pronounced with heavier stress. So such words we will keep more stress than usual. So this type of emphasis is usually indicated in written English by mean underlining. In the following example, emphasized words are indicated by the meaning of underlining. So here, emphatic statements are often used in conversation. For instance, when one speaker is contradicted another. So here one speaker is speaking with another person. So here example. So I don't believe he works very hard. So here, yes, he does work hard. So here we pronouncing that. So here in this statement he works very hard has given. So we are not stressing the word. So here in this statement he does works hard. So here we are using the stress on does. So here, when it is desired to emphasize a verb, it generally the first auxiliary which is stressed. So for instance, in the following sentence, I am working hard. So this is a sentence, I am working hard. The verb can be emphasized by stressing. So here, where is the verb? What is the verb means? Am. So here, the auxiliary is am. So here example, I am working hard. So here I am stressing on word am. However, in order to make such statement emphatic for verbs other than to the verb to be, so here this verb is to be, the auxiliary verb to do is used. So whenever to be is there, here to do is used, followed by the bare infinitive. For example, the simple present, the emphatic form of the word to work is formed with the simple present of the auxiliary verb to do. So here some examples has been given here. Affirmative sentences, emphatic affirmative sentence. So here in this I work is there. So here I said that here to be is used when the present tense is there, to do is used. So I do work. So here you work, you do work. So he works. So whenever it comes under the third person, do changes to does. He does work. So she works, she does works, it works, it does work, they work, here they do work. So here in the simple past, the emphatic form of the verb to work is formed with the simple past of the auxiliary verb to do. I show the work. So here wherever in the simple present tense is there, to do is there. So when comes to simple past, here it has been changed to work. So here example, I worked. So here I did work. So you worked, you did work. So we worked, we did work. They worked, they did work. So in here, third person singular, he or she, it. So here he worked means he did work. So here she worked means she did work. It worked, it did work. So here it did not changes. So here in previous do changes to does, but here did does not changes. It remains the same.